Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with SunTrust, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your financial situation. Gather all relevant financial documents, such as bank statements, pay stubs, and bills. Calculate your total monthly income from all sources. List your fixed expenses, including rent, utilities, and loan payments. Identify your variable expenses, such as groceries, entertainment, and dining. Keep a record of your spending for at least 1 month to understand your habits. Once you have a clear picture, categorize your expenses into needs and wants. Set financial goals for both the short term and long term. Decide on a budgeting method that works for you, such as the 50/30/20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. Use SunTrust's budgeting tools available on their website or app to help manage your budget. Input your income and your categorized expenses into the budgeting tool. Regularly review and adjust your budget based on actual spending versus planned spending. Track your progress toward your financial goals each month. Consider setting up automatic transfers to savings to ensure you save consistently. Remember to stay flexible, as circumstances can change, requiring budget adjustments. By following these steps, you can create a sustainable budget that helps you achieve your financial goals with SunTrust. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.